Ubukhosi base-Saudi Arabia buzakwalisa intshisekelo yokuba yingxenye yeBRICS esikhathini esizayo. Emhlanganweni noMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa, inkosana yase-Saudi Arabia inxuse iNingizimu Afrika ukuba yeseke umkhankaso wabo wokuba yingxenye yeBRICS. Umgoqo wokuqala ke obhekene noMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukuzama ukunxenxa uMengameli waseRussia uVladimir Putin.
Yes, His Royal Highness the Crown Prince did express to us their desire as Saudi Arabia to be part of BRICS, and he even demonstrated it so nicely and saying there's no need to change the S because the S could stand for South Africa and Saudi Arabia. So they have a great desire, and they are not the only country that is finding the BRICS family or formation attractive because of what BRICS stands for. And so we did say to them, the BRICS nations are going to be meeting in a summit next year under the chairship of South Africa, in South Africa, and the matter is going to be under consideration, and already a number of countries or nations have been making approaches to each of the BRICS members, and we've given them the same answer, that it will be discussed by the BRICS partners themselves, 5 of them, and thereafter a decision will be made.
UMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uphinde waba nezingxoxo nosomabhizinisi base-Saudi Arabia nabase-Ningizimu Afrika. Lo mhlangano ubuhlose ngawo ukwenza ngcono indlela yokwenza ibhizinisi nalamazwe omabili. Ukuvakasha kukaMengameli uRamaphosa eSaudi Arabia kube nomphumela wokuzibophezela ekutshaleni imali engamadola asemelika angu-15 billion. Lokhu kuzokwenzeka emkhakheni wezolimo kanye izizimayini ezokuthutha nezamandla. Ukukhiqizwa kwamandla okuvuselelayo nako kube phezulu emqulweni lezingxoxo njengoba iNingizimu Afrika ifuna ukusuka ekuphehleni ugesi ngamalahle.
They look at South Africa as being one of the key players in the world on green or hydrogen energy, and they want to partner us. They want to be in that space with us.
Womabili lamazwe azibophezele ekushesheni ukuqala ngelezivumelwano njengoba lelizwe libhekene ekuxazululeni izinkinga zamandla, inhlupheko kanye nembuyangothi. NginguSamkele Maseko ngibekele izindaba ze-SABC eJeddah eSaudi Arabia.